I'll show you how to add an admin on your Facebook page. First is to open your Facebook account and tap on your profile settings on the bottom right, and then click on Professional Dashboard. Once you're in there, now all you have to do is to scroll it down and tap Page Access. Now you can see there people with Facebook access. Now tap Add New, and in here you can add someone else with Facebook access who will share the page experience, including everything. So you can just click next and type the name of that Facebook page that you wish to add. For example, this one. So you have here allow this person to also have full control. Just tap on it and give access. Now to finish it, just type your profile password and click confirm, and that person will be automatically be an admin of your Facebook page. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.